Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. This could be useful if, for example, your watch is not working properly or something on it is not working properly or it's frozen and unresponsive. You could try to force restart the watch and hopefully that will solve your problems. So to force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen or until the watch turns off. Because it might turn off and not turn back on, but then you will just need to release the button and press and hold it again to turn it back on. So let's press and hold the button. I would say for about 15 seconds. So basically keep holding it until the screen turns off. Like this, then keep holding it for a bit more, and if you don't see Garmin logo on the screen appearing, you can release the button, and at this point the watch should be turned off. As you can see, it's off, and then we can turn it back on by pressing and holding the button again. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button again, and then wait until the watch is done booting up. And we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.